Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most elegant and functional products for your next celebration. The YestBuy 4-Tier Acrylic Cupcake Stand. This stunning stand is not only a centerpiece for your dessert table but also a practical solution for displaying a variety of treats at events like weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries. Let's take a closer look at what makes this cupcake stand a must-have for any party planner or home baker. The YestBuy Cupcake Stand features a sleek and modern design, crafted from premium acrylic that not only looks great but is also incredibly durable. With 4 tiers and a spacing of 4.7 inches between each layer, you can display up to 50 cupcakes, making it perfect for larger gatherings. The design of the stand is versatile, allowing you to rearrange the layers to suit your needs. If you want to create a unique display, you can remove any of the upper plates, providing the flexibility to customize the height and arrangement to match your decor or the theme of your event. The materials used in this stand are top-notch. The acrylic plates are 4 mm thick, ensuring they are robust and sturdy enough to hold even the most decadent cupcakes without bending or bowing. Additionally, the acrylic rods are designed with embedded copper nuts, providing added stability to keep your display upright and secure throughout your event. One of the standout features of the YestBuy Cupcake Stand is its ability to enhance the aesthetic of your desserts. The clear acrylic beautifully showcases the colors and designs of your cupcakes, making them look even more appetizing. Plus, the stand comes with a special LED light garland that adds a magical glow to your display, creating an enchanting atmosphere for your guests. With its polished finish and rubber dots on the bottom, this cupcake stand not only prevents slipping but also adds a touch of sophistication to your setup. It's perfect for both casual gatherings and formal events, seamlessly fitting into any setting. Using this cupcake stand is a breeze. Assembly is quick and easy, with no tools required, allowing you to set it up in minutes. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, a bridal shower, or even a corporate event, this stand will undoubtedly be a showstopper. It's ideal for cupcakes, but you can also use it for other desserts like cookies, pastries, and even small fruit arrangements. In conclusion, the YestBuy 4-Tier Acrylic Cupcake Stand is an essential addition to any dessert display. Its elegant design, practical features, and versatility make it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to impress their guests while showcasing their delicious treats. If you want to elevate your dessert presentation and create unforgettable memories, this cupcake stand is definitely worth considering. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and tips. Happy celebrating, and we'll see you in the next video.